Alright, Chad, let's wait until a plane leaves. Oh. Go down there? I think here is good, dude. Wait for it. Oh, here we go. I hear it. Wow. Cool. Air Asia. Thank you.
Okay.
The view is beautiful too, right? I'm pretty sure with the enough research of hackers, man, I'm pretty sure you can easily figure out where that airplane was heading towards, right? It's too hot, it's too humid. Another plane? Sky's beautiful, Chad. Oh, it's landing. Where? Thank you, Jinny. Let me know more about Taiwan. Yeah, man. I'm pretty sure I know I went to more places than most of the Taiwanese people in Taiwan, right? Over there. I guess it's going to the way.
It would be hilarious if a UFO turned up, lol.
That'd be cool, dude. Wait for it. One more airplane and then let's continue walking. Can't see it? Yeah, just gotta wait until it starts flying. It's going to the way. Oh, there you go. EVA Airline, right? EVA Airline is the most popular airline in Taiwan. Hello. Oh, thank you, thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Thank you. Hey, drink. Such a beautiful place.
That's you still want? 1, 2, 3.
Yeah. I think this one is good.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah. Thank you, thank you. But EVA Airline is top 8th airline? Then what is top 1st? United Arab Emirates. I wonder what is number 1 airline is.
Cool Sun Chola.
Only 1 hour until my flight. Oh shit. I have no flight. Oh shit. Nah. Let me see. What is number 1 airline in the world, Chad? Singapore? Delta? Emirates? I think it's United Arab Emirates. Okay. Top airlines in the world. Airline rating. Rating $1 for 150 sub. Singapore Airlines, Emirates, ANA All Nippon Airways, Qantas Airways, Japan Airline, Turkish Airline, Air France. Number 1 is Qatar Airline, dude. QATAR as of 2022. And then number 2 is Singapore, number 3 is Emirates, number 4 is All Nippon Airways, number 5 is Qantas Airways, number 6 is Japan Airlines, number 7 Turkish, number 8 Air France, number 9 Korean Air, number 10 Swiss International Airlines, according to this website. Qatar. Top 10 in the world. Top 10 airline rating in the world. I guess we gotta continue walking to the south now, Chet. The time has come to leave this paradise. on the logging. I forgot to turn it on back on after train. After the baby train. Beautiful, beautiful. Alright, how much did I walk today, Chet? This chat is weird. Why? They're just sad that I'm leaving soon. Even though I told you guys that, you know, you don't have to be sad. 15. Okay, 15. Alright, chat, are you guys ready to leave? Are you guys ready to bounce? Bounce, bounce, bounce? To the next place. My shoes. You know, before Waddlethon, whenever I was doing IRL.
Yo.
Andy, thank you for 14 months up. Yo. Before Waddlethon, whenever I was doing IRL. And then if the distance is like 15 minutes, that's okay. 30 minutes, too far. 1 hour, hell no, of course I'm gonna take taxi. Wow, Waddlethon, 1 hour, yeah, that's fine. 2 hours, ooh, that's a bit far. 3 hours, holy shit.
Who will win UCL final, Manchester City or Inter?
Manchester. Team Chang, thank you for 1050 beats, thank you so much.
Yay popcorn.
But you guys well know, if I say a certain team will win, they'll always lose, right? It's kind of like a jinx of mine. So, I don't know, dude. Okay. Hi. Oh, shit.
Do you want cake?
No. I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm full. And then, yeah, I have to continue walking. Thank you so much for the being guide. Thank you. Thank you. Where can I throw it away? Thank you so much. Oh. Thank you so much. Okay.
Can I picture with you?
Yeah, of course. Okay. Okay. Hi.
Okay.
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 Thank you. Whoa, Kathy. Oh, that's a big plane.
Good luck.
Thank you so much. Bye bye. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Bye bye. Thank you. Bye bye. Oh, such a nice people. Okay, chat. Oh. Necessity. Come on, dude. What the hell? Okay, there you go. That ass. That ass.